Sorry. Okay. Hello, boys and girls. I am just uploading this very quick example on one of the exercises that I left you to ensure that you understood this thing about the bigesimal system. That was a homework for geography. So I told you that you should tell me how to write your own year of birth, and most of you told me, well, at least with the girls, that was well, actually only the girls are working, so that's the example. They told me that you are from 2007. So we're going to try to represent in the system from the Olmecs 2007. Remember that in this bigesimal system, it is as if you would place the numbers into boxes, and everything you place into this first box over here, it is going to be worth 1. Everything you place in the second box is going to be worth 20. In the third box, it is going to be worth 400. In the fourth box, it is going to be worth 800. And in the fifth box, it is going to be worth 160,000. So it is as if you would multiply everything that you put into these boxes. It is going to be multiplied times the number that we have here on the left that I just underlined with green. So if you are from the year 2007, well, 2007 is smaller than 8,000, right? So we need to work within this box over here. We're going to work here because in the next box, the one that is about 8,000, well, we only have 2,000, so there is no point in using for 8,000, sorry. So how many times do I need to multiply 400 in order to get 2,000? Well, it is really easy because it is only a 5, right? I only need an horizontal line here, and I already have 2,000, and I am only missing then 7, just a 7. So what I need to do is that I need to do, as it is smaller than 20, I just need to go down over here and represent, this is the box that I am going to be using now, and I am just going to be representing number 7, and that is an horizontal line and 2 dots. And this equals 7. Let me use another color. This equals 7, and this equals 2,000. Why 2,000? Because it is a 5, but it is multiplied times, as I am placing it in this box, it is multiplied times 400. So that would be it. You only require to represent your date of birth. This horizontal line over here, I'm going to use, let's say, pink. You only require this horizontal line over here and this number 7 over here, and that would be everything you need to do. So I was telling you to some well, in the feedback session, I was telling you that if this was the Mayan system, Mayas had a problem with empty spaces. So the only difference over here is that they wouldn't want you to leave that empty space in the second box. So that is why they invented this character that is the number 0. So you could say that nothing is going to be there. That is going to be equal 0. But that is just in the case of the Maya people. For the Olmecs and for most other civilizations or societies, sorry, you just would leave this space blank. You would just, you wouldn't have to use, let me see the eraser, you wouldn't have to use this one. For most societies, you would just leave the space blank. But if you wanted to be like a Mayan, then Maya people would represent the number 0 over here in order to tell you that nothing is inside this box. But that would be it, girls and boys. So thank you very much.